Hello everyone, welcome back to Sanchana's Wonder World. If you're watching my videos for the first time, please like, share and subscribe my channel for latest updates. Guys, I'm sure that all of you are aware of the fact that Lok Sabha elections 2024 are being held and the phase 1 and phase 2 are successfully done too. So the phase 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are still pending and the date of counting would be on 4th June 2024. But are the phases 1 and 2 really successful? Well, researchers say that the turnout of phase 1 and 2 is 64%. That means 36% of people choose not to vote. There may be many reasons for this. Some of them are due to negligence or due to disbelief in the politicians, or maybe because of this question that runs through each and every person's mind. Will my one single vote make much difference? So guys, in this video I'll make sure that each and every one of you understand the importance of voting. So guys, before starting this video, do you know what is meant by a vote? If most of your answers are no, then let's start this video by understanding what is a vote. So, vote is a method of deciding something by asking people to express their choice and finding out what most people want. It's a method by which we can say what we want actually, or whom we choose to represent our country. Guys, there is an important thing to note. Voting doesn't mean that it is related only to the elections. It comprises of all the things from small to big which needs to be chosen by the people. This leads us to another interesting question, which is, who casts votes? Well, the answer is so simple guys. Residents of a country are represented by an elected official called as constituents, and the constituents who choose to cast a ballot for their chosen candidate are known as voters. Well, this leads us to a clear understanding that people who cast their vote are known as voters. Well, this leads to another interesting question, which is, who are eligible? The minimum voting age is 18 years old. This may lead you to another interesting question, that why only 18 years old can cast a vote. So, the reason is that it's a threshold established to ensure that voters are sufficiently mature and informed about the civic matters. But is voting really important? Well, it is. It's important because it provides a way for people to influence policy, elect leaders who represent their interests, and hold those leaders accountable. Voting shapes the laws and policies that impact everyday life, from education and healthcare to taxation and civil rights. Not satisfied yet? Come, let's go deep into this. A famous Greek philosopher, Pericles, said that just because you do not take interest in politics, that doesn't mean that politics also does not take any interest in you. Yes, it is true. Because whatever we discuss with our parents, friends, siblings, etc. about GDP growth, infrastructure facilities, etc. and etc., all of these are in the hands of the government. So how careful we must be to choose our leaders. What policies or decisions they take will have a direct impact on us. Well, then you might be wondering, how can we create an impact on them? Yes guys, it is possible. Because this is a democratic country, we have one of the most finest way to create an impact on this nation. I think you have guessed it by now. Yes, the answer is your vote. Well, I know that each and everyone wants to create a good society and create an impact in the future of this country. But what is in our hands? Well, it's our weapon, vote. This is not a single vote for yourself, but a single vote for the future of our nation. There is a famous quote of Gloria Steinem which says, voting isn't the most we can do but the least. But I know many of you still wonder that, does our one vote really matter, or does our one vote make much difference? Well guys, let me share something with you. In the year 2008, Rajasthan Assembly elections were held and CP Joshi got a whopping 62,215 votes. But still he lost the election by one single vote. Yes guys, you heard it right, that he lost the election by one single vote. In the same way, in 2004 Karnataka Assembly elections, Krishnamurthy became the first ever person to lose an election by one single vote. His total number of votes were 40,751, whereas his opponent Dhruvanarayan got total of 40,752. Yes guys, it's just one number more. He lost the election in that particular year by one single vote. This created an history. He became the first person to lose an assembly election by one vote. One of the most famous philosopher, Plato, once said that one of the penalties for refusing to participate in the politics is that you end up being governed by your inferior. So guys, I hope that after watching all these, you'll make sure that you cast your vote in the upcoming phases of 2024 Lok Sabha elections. Remember guys, your vote is your weapon to change the world. So guys, in the upcoming phases of 2024 Lok Sabha elections, I would like to see each and every person coming out of his home and casting his valuable vote. Guys, I would love to see 100% vote cast in the upcoming phases. That's it for today guys. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.